So welcome to this video. This is a random video in Mizoram. We will be traveling from Zote village to Champai. The roads are beautiful, narrow but well maintained. From this video you will get to know कि मिज़ोरम के रोड कैसे है. Sharp turns. Zote village is 5 kilometers ahead, and from there we will go to Champai. Champai is also known as fruit basket of Mizoram. अगर आप चंपाई विज़िट करने का सोचते हो, विज़िट इट इन नवंबर और दिसंबर और आफ्टर अक्टूबर टिल फेब. Wow, so here is the sunlight. Now the beauty is enhanced. It was written after whiskey, driving risky. Wow. Good road with this view is the only thing biker wants. Sharp turn again. अगर आगे से कार आती है देन इट ऑलमोस्ट ऑक्यूपाइज 75% ऑफ द रोड, सो यू कैन नॉट afford to go out of lane when the view is blind, and most of the time here view is blind, so blind view completely. Good banking. This is an army checkpost. No fly zone. You cannot fly drone here. It was written there. Maybe a military camp or something. Oh. Now the view will get more better because you can see mountains all over here and a valley. Stay with me till Champai. You will see Zote village and Champai outskirts also. It's not much, maybe it will take 10 minutes more. In November it's like completely colorful, and also the plain areas are full of paddy, so it's a lush green. It's pleasure to an eyes. Okay, so at such points you saw that pipe, वहाँ से पानी आता है, and you can just use that water to wash your bikes and all. While traveling northeast, I am doing that only everywhere. Zote 1 kilometer, and if you see that side, the mountain over there, that's in Myanmar. The valley over there, from there flows the Tiao river, and after Tiao river it's Myanmar. BRO's date camp. If you are planning your trip to Mizoram, don't forget to visit Champai, Zokhautar. Zokhautar is basically Indo-Myanmar border. Champai is really nice. See, now from here the main view will start. This is Zote village, okay? Even the sunlight is very pretty. It's 4:30 now. Once we get to that point, from there the valley will start. Till then, see this. I feel like this whole area or town, like Champai district, is an animated town which we like in Japanese anime mostly, like countryside of Japan. Population is less. These homes are colorful, very nicely separated, shaped, far away from each other. Oh, I thought of drinking tea there, but this video will stop in between only, so I'll continue this ride. See, ये village को देखो, and see down there, that's a paddy field all over. But अभी वो brown है, अक्टूबर में पूरा green होगा. Okay. Oh, wow. Driving at such condition is treat to an eye when your roads take you to such beautiful villages. Wow, देखो. Even when it's brown, it's looking pretty. Imagine when it's lush green. These are the paddy fields. These scooties with yellow number plate are the bike taxi of Champai district. I'm wearing an open t-shirt, open jacket actually, about t-shirt, almost feeling like a Krish. The slash burning part is over actually. Now after 1-2 months they will sow the rice fields again. Till that time they store such water and there is fish farming going on. Mangtha Maile, I don't know, मिजो लैंग्वेज में कुछ तो लिखा है. तो वहाँ पे देख के चलते हैं सीरीज व्यू. कितने दूर दूर घर है देखो पहले. एंड ओह, that buffalo's name starts with R. Okay, so this is park actually near to my homestay. So we have reached almost Champai main area. We can go up here and sit, like it's a picnic spot. See people playing there, having fun. Shall I go? It's a picnic spot. I need to do some work actually, so don't. Oh, I think we should go to that village. We will take a left turn and go there. It's looking pretty. Okay, so now you will get to see the Champai, but we need to take left from here. Sign out rescue center. No, not from here, so we can go ahead. Once we take this right turn, you will have the access of whole Champai city. Okay, so see the beautiful city up there. That's Champai. There is a very good stadium also. Very good. So where is the left turn? You were talking about. No, this is not the one. So our dream village, from where to go I don't know. And I can't stop and ask anyone because here people don't know actually that much English, and they know only Mizo. Hindi they don't know. In Aizawl you can easily communicate with anyone, but in Champai it's hard little bit. people who are running homestays and all, they are like fluent in Hindi also, but others are not. I don't know where that's left turn is, but we are almost okay. So we will take this left and go, at least try to go there. My homestay is just from here 200 meters. Let's see. Road seems bad little bit. Pastor quarter. Yesterday I walked till that greenhouse. Video is on, right? Okay, it's on. I think we are on the right track. Like we will be see. Oh, this was not that village, right? Oh, यही था क्या? Anyway, this is also pretty. So on the right, this is the main thing, जो बहुत बड़ा plain area है, and majority of paddy field is here. देखो, and जब नवंबर होता है तो ये जो छोटे छोटे माउंटेन्स दिख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पे फूल वगैरह खिलते हैं. So it's very pretty to watch, like flowers. Camping center, a grape one. Okay, camping center. Wow, like it almost felt like I got the access of something different. Wow, क्या लैंडस्केप है यार. So that was our village जहाँ हमें जाना है. So fishing going on. ये कुछ तो अलग लगा है. स्पिनच. हाँ, स्पिनच है. Wow. It's almost feel like you are rendering a map, like map is getting bigger and bigger. Unseen part of the earth. कितने बड़ी पैडी फील्ड है. और आई थॉट कि वहाँ वाली जो है ना, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग, बट इट्स गेटिंग बिगर एंड बिगर. लाइक मेरे को लगता है जितना हम आगे जाएंगे, लाइक आफ्टर दैट माउंटेन ऑल्सो देयर मस्ट बी अ फील्ड्स. चलते रहेगा ऐसे. ऐसी थोड़ी फ्रूट बास्केट है यहाँ पे. नवंबर में एक्चुअली एक फेस्टिवल होता है, एंड इन दैट फेस्टिवल ऑल ओवर पीपल ऑल ओवर फ्रॉम मिज़ोरम कम टू चंपाई और बहुत एंजॉय करते हो. एक्चुअली मेट वन गाय, सो ही शोन मी वीडियोस. ही विजिटेड चंपाई लास्ट ईयर. ही वाज एक्चुअली फ्रॉम आइजोल ओनली. His parents lives in Champai. He almost like he invited me for like to stay at his home only till I'm in Champai, but it doesn't feel good. So like people here eat everything na. So one thing is I cannot complain about it, and I cannot say no also because it may feel disrespectful. So it's better to mind our own business. So from here left we will go to that village, but we are now planning to see or render our map more, like at least we will see what's ahead of this mountain, and if we find a good spot we will eat something here away from the town, at least a coffee or tea or milk or anything liquid. Champai winery. Oh, actually Mizoram is Alcohol is prohibited here, but this winery means it's like fruit wines, orange mostly. I'll see if I can get something from there. It's almost a non-alcoholic, but not totally non-alcoholic. There is 2 to 4% of alcohol in that, but that's okay. Okay, so the village we thought of is not small. We are just going and going. So should I take right or left? Let's take left. It was a good decision. Okay, so I think we have reached the dead point. No? Shall we go up? I don't think so. It's a good idea to go. Let's see. We can even see the sunset. But I had some work. Oh my god, Champai ka view. Oh ho 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 ho. We'll find some spot now to sit and enjoy. Left side में please यार end मत होना. ओके नाइस. यहाँ से ऊपर जाएंगे एंड वी विल घर है वहाँ पे. लेट्स सी समथिंग वी कैन डू. यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिसीजन मेकिंग है. लेट्स गो अप. वाओ, रोड तो जा रहा है मज़े में. लेट्स गो. एक घर आएगा लास्ट में ना जिसके आगे रोड नहीं होगा. ओ नाउ इट्स गोइंग डाउन. ओके, सो आई विल स्टॉप हियर. किसी के घर पे रुक गया हूँ मैं. पूरी कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं. सो सी, ये सनसेट वाइब है. मज़ा आ गया. Let's see how this looks with Champai village.